इस मुसावाट को हल करने में काफी वक्त लगा होगा।
It must have taken a long time to solve this equation. It must have taken a long time to solve this equation.
जब तक वो वापस आया था वो वहां से जा चुकी थी।
She had left by the time he was back. She had left by the time he was back.
वो किसी ना किसी तरह शादी करने वाले थे।
They were going to get married one way or the other. They were going to get married one way or the other.
इसने उसकी बातों की सच्चाई की तस्दीक की।
He confirmed the truth of her words. He confirmed the truth of her words.
मैंने सनद को ठीक करने के बारे में हिदायत पर अमल किया।
I followed the instructions on how to fix the sink. I followed the instructions on how to fix the sink.
उसके बाजू पर कई जख्म थे।
There were many bruises on her arm. There were many bruises on her arm.
वो मसखरे की तरह हंसता रहा।
He kept laughing like a clown. He kept laughing like a clown.
हमें सुबह तक बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए।
We should not head out till the morning. We should not head out till the morning.
वो जानता था कि ये वक्त तजवीज़ के लिए सही था।
He knew the moment was right for the proposal. He knew the moment was right for the proposal.
इसने माल के सामने वाले हिस्से में गाड़ी खड़ी की।
She parked in the open space of the mall. She parked in the open space of the mall.
मैंने सफर में कुछ तस्वीरें भी खींचे।
I even photographed some pictures on the trip. I even photographed some pictures on the trip.
हर तरफ पैनट था।
There was paint all over the place. There was paint all over the place.
इसके वालिदैन ने अपने बोझल दिलों के साथ देखा।
Her parents watched with heaviness in their hearts. Her parents watched with heaviness in their hearts.
वो उसे ऐसा करने देते रहते हैं।
They keep letting her do that. They keep letting her do that.
बच्चे को अपने नए खिलौने पर लगाया गया था।
The baby was fixed on his new toy. The baby was fixed on his new toy.
इन्होंने उसे अपने कद से डराया।
They intimidated him with their height. They intimidated him with their height.
उसने अपने केक पर मोमबत्ती बुझा दी।
She blew out the candle on her cake. She blew out the candle on her cake.
मेरे वालिद ने अपने फैसले पर गहरी सोच विचार की थी।
My father had thought deeply about his decision. My father had thought deeply about his decision.
हमारे कोच नीचे टीम की प्रैक्टिस देख रहे थे।
Our coach was down watching the team practice. Our coach was down watching the team practice.
मैंने सोचा कि ये माजी में था।
I thought that was in the past. I thought that was in the past.
मैं अपने एक साथी के साथ दोपहर के खाने के लिए बाहर गया।
I went out with a colleague of mine for lunch. I went out with a colleague of mine for lunch.
किसान ने उन परिंदों को भगा दिया जो इसकी मकई पर चोंच कर रहे थे।
The farmer drove away the birds pecking at his corn. The farmer drove away the birds pecking at his corn.
वो इसके कंधे में मजीद टेक लगा रहा था।
He was leaning more into her shoulder. He was leaning more into her shoulder.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको इस फैसले पर अफसोस नहीं होगा।
I hope you don't regret that decision. I hope you don't regret that decision.
कल रात की तवानाई खत्म हो चुकी थी।
Last night's energy had worn off. Last night's energy had worn off.
हमने माजी के बारे में बात ना करने का इंतखाब किया।
We chose not to talk about the past. We chose not to talk about the past.
वो तोहफे से घबरा गया।
He sounded terrified of the gift. He sounded terrified of the gift.
मैंने जल्दी से गोलियां निगल ली।
I quickly swallowed the pills. I quickly swallowed the pills.
इसने अपना फोन टेबल पर छोड़ दिया।
She left her phone on the table. She left her phone on the table.
मैंने कल रात फिल्म देखना खत्म किया।
I finished watching the movie last night. I finished watching the movie last night.
सेब खिला काटा था।
The apple was sliced open. The apple was sliced open.
मैं इसे यकीन दिलाने की कोशिश करते रहा कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
I kept trying to assure him that all would be well. I kept trying to assure him that all would be well.
कॉटन के दूसरे सिरे पर गलू चिपक नहीं रहा था।
The glue was not sticking on the other end of the carton. The glue was not sticking on the other end of the carton.
इसे मुकाबले के लिए वजन उठाना पड़ा।
He had to lift the weight for the competition. He had to lift the weight for the competition.
इसने 2 बार रेस जीती।
She won the race twice. She won the race twice.
अभी तक किसी ने भी मंसूबाबंदी में मदद करने के लिए रज़ाकाराना तौर पर पेश नहीं किया है।
Nobody has volunteered to help out with the planning yet. Nobody has volunteered to help out with the planning yet.
इसे किताबें पढ़ने का शौक था।
He loved reading books. He loved reading books.
ट्रक रेत के जरिए हिल चला गया।
The truck plowed through the sand. The truck plowed through the sand.
इसकी सीट बेल्ट इसके धड़ के गर्द महफूज थी।
His seatbelt was securely around his torso. His seatbelt was securely around his torso.
परेशानी की वजह से उसका पीठ गिरहों में मुड़ गया।
Her stomach twisted into knots due to anxiety. Her stomach twisted into knots due to anxiety.
अहमकाना हिम्मत के लिए अपनी जान को खतरे में न डालें।
Don't endanger your life for a silly dare. Don't endanger your life for a silly dare.
फौजियों ने बैकअप प्लान पर इन्हिसार किया था।
The soldiers had relied on the backup plan. The soldiers had relied on the backup plan.
बैलरीना ने तकरीबन आसानी से रक़्स किया।
The ballerina danced almost effortlessly. The ballerina danced almost effortlessly.
मैंने डंडा अपने साथी को दे दिया।
I passed the baton to my partner. I passed the baton to my partner.
उसने बेपरवाही से चीख मारी।
He screamed with wild abandon. He screamed with wild abandon.
ताज़ा हवा इसके फेफड़ों में भर गई।
Fresh air filled her lungs. Fresh air filled her lungs.
सवार ने बड़ी आसानी से घोड़े पर सवार किया।
The rider mounted the horse effortlessly. The rider mounted the horse effortlessly.
मैंने टेलीविजन की आवाज बंद कर दी।
I muted the sound of the television. I muted the sound of the television.
फौज ने अड्डे के दरवाजे बंद कर दिए।
The military sealed up the base gates. The military sealed up the base gates.
हुकूमत बीमारी के बारे में गलत थी।
The government had been wrong about the disease. The government had been wrong about the disease.
उसने अपने खरीदे हुए खाने की कीमत अदा करने से इनकार कर दिया।
He refused to pay for the food he bought. He refused to pay for the food he bought.
बिल्ली सख्ती से गाड़ी पर बैठ गई।
The cat sat sturdily on the vehicle. The cat sat sturdily on the vehicle.
इन्होंने वीडियो को स्लो मोशन में दोबारा चलाया।
They replayed the video in slow motion. They replayed the video in slow motion.
इनके दरमियान इंतशार पैदा हो गया था।
An enormity had risen between them. An enormity had risen between them.
मसरूफ सड़क पार करने से पहले उसने एक तरफ देखा।
He looked sideways before crossing the busy road. He looked sideways before crossing the busy road.
हुजूम पर दुआओ कामत से गुजर गया।
The crowd walked past the statue. The crowd walked past the statue.
खामोशी सरकुशी की अलामत है।
Silence is a symbol of defiance. Silence is a symbol of defiance.
वो खौफजदा थे कि कहीं कोई अलमनाक वाक़या ना हो जाए।
They were scared that something tragic would happen. They were scared that something tragic would happen.
सांप उसकी तरफ लपका।
The snake slid towards her. The snake slid towards her.
मशीन ने अंगूरों को रस में निचोड़ लिया।
The machine squeezed the grapes into juice. The machine squeezed the grapes into juice.
जब वो अंदर दाखिल हुआ तो वो आंसू बहा रही थी।
She was at the point of tears when he entered. She was at the point of tears when he entered.
जागीर का गेट काफी देर तक बंद रहा।
The gate to the manor remained locked for a long time. The gate to the manor remained locked for a long time.
मेरी माँ ने दर्द का इजहार किया।
My mother wore an expression of pain. My mother wore an expression of pain.
मैंने अपनी फैमिली के साथ क्रिसमस का लुत्फ उठाया।
I enjoyed Christmas with my family. I enjoyed Christmas with my family.
वो रास्ते से हट गया।
He jumped out of the way. He jumped out of the way.
फौजियों ने तकरीबन दर्द में हथियार डाल दिए।
The soldiers almost surrendered in pain. The soldiers almost surrendered in pain.
इसने प्लेटों को धोकर खुश्क किया।
He washed and dried the plates. He washed and dried the plates.
वो एक एक करके गुस्से से बोले।
They spoke one by one with pent-up anger. They spoke one by one with pent-up anger.
जब आप आए तो मैं किचन साफ कर रहा था।
I was cleaning the kitchen when you arrived. I was cleaning the kitchen when you arrived.
इसकी बेटियों ने उसे बमुश्किल सुना जब वो अपने स्कूल में भागी थी।
His daughters barely heard him as they ran into their school. His daughters barely heard him as they ran into their school.
ड्राइवर अपनी सीट के साथ फंस गया।
The driver was trapped against his seat. The driver was trapped against his seat.
घर पर धुंध छा गई।
The fog drifted up the house. The fog drifted up the house.
इसका सीना दुख से लरज रहा था।
Her chest heaved with sorrow. Her chest heaved with sorrow.
आपके नताइज स्कूल के साथ महफूज और मामून हैं।
Your results are secure and safe with the school. Your results are secure and safe with the school.
इसने पैसों के एवज अपनी घड़ी इन्हें दे दी।
He gave them his watch in exchange for money. He gave them his watch in exchange for money.
इसने तलबा के दरमियान अल्फाज के धीमे तबादले को नजरअंदाज किया।
He ignored the dull exchange of words between the students. He ignored the dull exchange of words between the students.
अपने मज़मून के आखिर में अपना नतीजा शामिल करना यकीनी बनाएं।
Make sure to add your conclusion at the end of your essay. Make sure to add your conclusion at the end of your essay.
इसने हिकारत से उसे देखा।
He looked at her with disdain. He looked at her with disdain.
वो खामोशी से सरगोशी में बोली।
She whispered with quiet urgency. She whispered with quiet urgency.
मैंने जाने से पहले पुराने घर की एक आखिरी झलक देखी।
I took one last glimpse of the old house before leaving. I took one last glimpse of the old house before leaving.
वो बच्चों से बात करने के लिए झुक गया।
He bent down to talk to the kids. He bent down to talk to the kids.
मेरा भाई पीछे हटकर खौफजदा नजर आया।
My brother looked withdrawn and scared. My brother looked withdrawn and scared.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ हकीकत अंगेज कर रहे हैं।
I hope you are doing something tangible with your life. I hope you are doing something tangible with your life.
वो दुकान से कुछ लेने गया।
He went to get something from the store. He went to get something from the store.
इसने झुककर दीवार पर लगे दाग का जायजा लिया।
He bent to examine the stain on the wall. He bent to examine the stain on the wall.
मैंने कुत्ते को कोने के इर्द-गिर्द चलाया।
I walked the dog around the corner. I walked the dog around the corner.
उसके वालिद ने उसे इतराफ जुर्म करने पर जोर दिया।
His father urged him to confess. His father urged him to confess.
इसे काम पर तरक्की मिली।
She got a promotion at work. She got a promotion at work.
तैयारा बहिफाजत लैंड कर गया।
The plane landed safely. The plane landed safely.
टेलीविजन का वजन बहुत ज्यादा था।
The television weighed a lot. The television weighed a lot.